Hey guys, you're watching Tech Radar. My name's Basil and this is the Honor 9 Lite. It's just been announced for the UK at £199 and that gets you quite a lot of smartphone. It sits kind of below, kind of above the Honor 7X. It's a smaller device, it has a glass back, so maybe feels a little bit more premium, but at the same time it's a little bit cheaper. It's great for people with smaller hands and for people who love selfies. It's got two front cameras and so you can take hardware, blurry background, sharp foreground pictures and retrospectively change the blur effect after you've taken your shot. What's also cool, 32 gigabytes of storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and what mainly is the design that really stands out. It has Android 8 on board too, so you've got the latest version, which a lot of flagships right now don't have, so well done Honor for that. Dual cameras around the back, also fingerprint scanner too, and on the front you've just got that 18:9 5.65 inch display, over 400 pixels per inch, nice and sharp. When it comes to power under the hood, it's a Kirin 659 processor, keeping everything going, as well as a 3000 milliamp battery. We've actually already got a review of the Indian version on techradar.com, but we'll be updating it very soon. Stay tuned to Tech Radar. Thanks for watching.